Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to extract the current running month in Power BI. So let's start. So here, let me just go to the date field and you can see I'm on the 9th of August as on the day when I'm building this video. So how do I get the current running month, which is August? So we'll learn how to do that. So I'll click on the dim date table, which I've got, and I'll just click new measure. And I'll just call this current running month. I'll just say that equals today, and just check this. And I'll just use the card visual. I'll just bring it here, and I'll just put the current running month in there. So at the moment it will not fetch what I'm after, but we'll just build it up as we go along. So it's giving me the 9th of August 2023, but this is not what I'm after. I'm after August. So I'll use this measure, but I'll build on top of today. So I'll just say format here. And then I'll just give the format which I want. So let's say I just want MMM. So if I put MMM, it will just give me AUG. So which is the first three letters of the month August. I'll just hit enter now here. And this, you'll see this will change soon. And you can see the current running month is, and then if I want it to be full, so I could just say MMMM. And that's it. So it's not complicated. It's fairly easy. If I just wanted to extract the current running month and I wanted to display it, I just need to get it using the formula. So I'm getting today's date, and then I'm doing MMMM. So that's pretty much it. So in this video, all we've covered is how to extract the current running month in Power BI. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.